Okay, so today we're going to talk more about the electrical system in detail, particularly in terms of circuit breakers, as well as actually fuses and fuse holders. So when we first did the electrical box, we had this circuit breaker, which is a really nice circuit breaker. It's high quality for your home use, standard use. It's 80 amps, okay? And below that, you would have 20 amps of power. So it would go from here down into this one, and then from this one into the electrical outlet, which would plug into the equipment. And this is good for standard use, but we changed that out and we swapped it with fuse box, okay? And in the fuse box here, of course the wire goes in here, there'd be 3 of these to replace the 80 amp fuse circuit breaker. And in the fuse box, obviously you have these little fuses. So this is pretty old technology. They were replaced by circuit breakers because when one of these blows, you have to replace one of these. But because it's super simple, it sounds a lot better, which is quite interesting. So, you know, one of the things I noticed when we replaced the 80 amps with these 63 amp fuses was the sound got way more lush. It just really improved the sound stage. There's much more detail in the sound. It sounded richer and warmer and just more enjoyable to listen to by going to these fuses. So I thought that was really interesting. And I kind of wanted to ask you, Shin, why when you go from 80 amp regular circuit breaker to a specially done fuse, why does that sound so much better?
OK， 其实大家可以看到啊，这个空开呢，它有一个复杂的机械结构在里边。那么我们把它推上来的时候，它里边会有几个弹片去接触，然后一旦过载的话，它会跳掉。那么它一定会有一个感受过载的地方和几个接触面。那么它的结构越复杂，里边的传导也会受到更多的接触电阻，包括外边用的塑料，还有里边其他的金属件都会影响整体的传导以及它产生的一些阻抗。包括这个塑料呢，它主要是绝缘体，它就会产生一些电容的效应，那么电容效应就影响了整个传导的阻抗。那么里边其他的零件呢，它会产生一个就是传导的时候会有磁干扰，那么这个磁干扰也会作用在其他的组件上，那么这个组件产生了磁之后，也会再作用到传导的这个面上，所以说它会有更多的一些环节在里边，那么更多的环节就产生了更多的失真，对。所以我们改用了这种非常简便的方法。那么，首先我们要选择非常好的绝缘体啊，然后当然就是要有正规的这一些安全的保障的一些品牌，然后我们去把它进行一些改造，对。然后里边的所有的金属件应该已经看不到了，但是这里边所有的金属件我们重新给它进行了电镀，对，就是经过4层不同的电镀方法。首先它一个铜的载体，然后我们会给它镀铜，镀铜之后去镀银，镀了银之后去镀钯金，然后镀了钯金之后我们又镀了黄金，但黄金又单独镀了4层，所以它的厚度是非常大的。然后有了很好的镀层之后，所有的接触电阻会减少，它也不会被氧化，所以长时间的应用呢，它不会产生过多的接触电阻。那么剩下的就是这一颗，这一颗是很有趣的东西。如果我们用铜，或者是用银，或者是用金，或者是用其他的材料，它都会有不同的声音。那么它的可玩性就远远高于空开，所以我们可以通过它获得更好的声音，也可以获得更丰富的声音和体验。那么它的制作呢，像所有的连接件我们是用铜的，但是我们在选择这个2个接触点的时候，因为它很小，也形状也很简单，我们可以选择用纯银，或者是用铜再去加工镀更好的镀层。那么这个就是不同的设计师给它不同的灵感，对。然后里边的主导体呢，像这一根用的就是金，对，你会听到金特有的声音，比如高频特别的细腻，有丰富的信息量，然后低频凝聚有力扎实， 然后整个的背景非常的黑暗。那么，所以我们把它换到电路里边，那我们的测试就得到了一个巨大的提升。对。
Yeah, no, I was really amazed at going from one of these to this. The change in the sound was really incredible. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it. And yeah,
Thank you, Eric.
thank you.